Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is the part 2 video of the Power BI tutorial series, guys. Okay, I have already uploaded one video related to introduction of Power BI in our previous videos. In this session, I am going to explain what is Power BI and what are the prerequisites to learn Power BI and where we use Power BI. Okay, and what are the main components of Power BI. Okay, in the next section we will discuss how to download and install the Power BI desktop. From next session onwards, we will see some practical examples on my computer system. First, let us understand what is Power BI. Power BI is a cloud-based business intelligence tool, guys, or we can say Power BI is a data visualization tool. By using Power BI, we can create interactive dashboards and we can also create reports, guys. And that reports we can share to our business users. Okay, so Power BI is one of the most demand tool in nowadays, guys. In IT, every company, whether it is small organization or MNC organization, everyone is nowadays are using Power BI tool, guys. Okay, then why we are using Power BI? So what is the main reason it is so popular nowadays? The reason is, guys, we can create visualization reports and we can also create interactive dashboards, guys. That means customizable dashboards. Once you see such kind of reports, we can understand, we can analyze our business process, we can analyze our business operations, where our business is in the market trends, whether we are in higher position or we are in middle position or we are low position, whether you are getting benefits or not. And we can easily compare from previous years and current time. That means you can easily take decision making about your business process by using these type of visualization reports, guys, or dashboards. So therefore, every organizations nowadays hiring who have skills, who have good skills in Power BI. By using your internal organization data, we are converting that internal organization data into reports, visualization reports, and we are also creating customizable dashboards. That helps us where we are, where we need to improve, where we are losing the business, where we need to improve our business. You can easily analyze by seeing visualization reports and dashboards. These are the reasons data visualization tools are using nowadays each and every company, guys, irrespective of the organization size. That's why nowadays Power BI is so popular. Okay, the next thing is, what are the prerequisites to learn Power BI? So if you are zero knowledge on any skills, but no worry, guys, you can learn Power BI. But if you have any previous experience or previous knowledge on Excel, MS Excel and SQL Server, that is very good, that is a added advantage, guys. You can learn Power BI very quickly if you have MS Excel and SQL Server knowledge. Prerequisite to learn Power BI is like MS Excel and some SQL Server knowledge. Okay, so during learning the course, you can improve your skills in the Excel as well as SQL Server. Okay, so the next concept is where we use Power BI. Where exactly we are using this data visualization tool? Nowadays, data are using very heavily, guys, in the social media like Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, okay, and YouTube. So whatever the social medias are there, some big organizations also there, like banking, like SBI banking or ICICI, any HFC, any banking organizations, they are using lakhs of customers are there. Then how you can analyze the data, how you can create the reports? So by using a data visualization tool, we can easily create the visualization reports. No matter how much data your company is handling, you can easily create the reports by using data visualization tools, that is Power BI. And one more advantage of Power BI is, guys, it is a cloud based business intelligence tool, guys. Even you can use on premises, or you can also integrate with the cloud based. So whenever you are talking about big data technologies and data scientist technologies, so they are creating some huge amount of data, guys, and we are accessing that data, and we are analyzing that data, and we are creating interactive dashboards or creating reports, and we are sharing that report to the business users. So by using this powerful Power BI tool, we are doing all these things. Then we can understand the where we are. Then you can understand the business process, in which place we are. Okay, so this is all about where we are using Power BI. Now let us discuss about what are the components are available in Power BI. What are the basic components in Power BI? So the basic and main used components are like Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power Services. I will explain all the components with practical examples from next session onwards, guys. Now let us understand what is Power Query, and what is Power View, and what is Power Pivot, and what is Power Services. First, let's discuss about what is a Power Query. Power Query is used to clean the data, guys. So whatever the raw data we are accessing from different data sources, that data we need to clean it. Clean it means here, so there may be in that raw data, it might be duplicate data available, or null values available. Okay, we can easily modify the columns, or we can replace the columns. Okay, that means we can do some data modifications in Power Query, and also we can delete duplicate records as well, and we can also delete some null values as well. That means we are cleaning the data before creating reports or interactive dashboards. Okay, so that is the main purpose of Power Query. I will show you with practical in the next session, guys, where we used Power Query. Okay, and the next topic is and the next component is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is used for data modeling purpose, guys. Suppose you are accessing the data from different data sources. Suppose you are accessing from sales department and some other product department. We are going to creating relationship between different data sources. We can create the relationship between different data sources, and we can merge the data, and we can create one output after merging the data. That means we are making the relationship between different data sources. That is one of the main feature of a Power Pivot. That means we are creating modeling. Okay. Then what is Power View? Power View means we are creating the reports. Okay, by using Power BI desktop, we are creating the visualization reports. It might be maps or charts or graphs. Okay, so we can create visualization reports by using Power View. And the next component is Power Services. So after creating the reports, visualization reports, we can share those reports through online or business users or third party or some other persons. Okay, to share our reports, we are using Power Services. Okay, so these are the main components of Power BI desktop, guys. I hope you understand what is Power BI and what are the prerequisites to learn Power BI. Okay, and where we used exactly Power BI, and what are the main components of Power BI. So that's all, guys, for this session. From next session onwards, I'm going to teach you on my computer system, guys, how to download and install the Power BI desktop, and how to create all these things, how to use Power Query and Power Pivot and Power View and Power Services. So we will understand all these components with practical examples from next session onwards, guys. That's all, guys, this session. So if you really feel helpful this video, please share to your friends also, guys. So it might be helpful many people. And also don't forget to hit the like button, guys. So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you very much.